Hello everyone, this is Fawad. Welcome to Future on Cloud. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Excel to monitor your network devices. So let's jump into it. I just open an Excel file and I am going to put a continuous ping for a couple of network devices. For that, I have selected the IP addresses. So uh, let's put one column for device name, second column for IP address, and third one for data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the connectivity of the following IP addresses through the Excel. So let's type the name of the device. Let's say Cisco Huawei switch firewall server one and so forth. Let's say computer one, computer two. Let me drag it. Okay, so here I just wanted to see the status of my devices. So let me just make it a little bit presentable. Okay, so I wanted to see the status of these devices. So in order to do that, what we need to do is, first of all, we need to get the script, and this script I have uploaded on my GitHub repository. So just copy this script, which we will use in this video. And for that, you need to click on developer, then click on Visual Basic and click on insert and module. So just paste the script and minimize it, then click on insert, then button. So let's insert this button here. You can adjust the size based on your requirement. So ping system, just select this one and rename it. Let's say start ping. And I just wanted to get the status in this column. So just click here, and here you can see whatever the devices are online, it will reflect online, and whatever is not responding, it will give you an offline message. So this is how it's simple. So if you wanted to expand the range, so let's say I just wanted to add a couple of more devices. So let's try for three and just expand it whatever is available, and let's say remove these devices and start the ping again. It will be offline, then one will be offline. I know because these devices are offline, and I think all remaining will be online. Yeah, this is how it this simple is. So if you wanted to modify, because sometime you are not getting response on very first time when you send a packet for the ping, so in order to modify it, just go back in this Visual Studio Code, and here you can change the value. So it is checking the ping response in 1 millisecond. You can expand it to three. It will wait for 3 seconds, like it will send three packets. So as soon as it receive response, it will generate the value. So earlier it was generating value like this online value or offline value within 1 second. Now it will take 3 seconds. So I'm just going to remove some extra files. So just to make the video shorter, and then again. So here you can see it taking time. One, two, three, one, two, three. Like it's taking 3 seconds to generate the results, because sometimes once you start pinging a new device and ARP is not resolved. So normally the first ping will be dropped. So if you are just sending one packet, then and although that device will be online, but here the result will be offline because it is only sending one packet. If you increase the time, it will send a couple of packets and then give you the response. So this is it with the Excel. But if you don't have Excel in your system, we have another option through which you can test it. So let's jump into another option. So let's say we don't have this Excel in our system, then what we can do is, so we can use our PowerShell script. Again, this file is available. I will share the link in the video description so you can download and use this script. So what you need to do is you need to open PowerShell. So this is the PowerShell, and just again copy paste this script because everything is already mentioned here. Just paste it, save it. I'm going to save it in the desktop because I have already given the path on my desktop. So let's give a file name ping test. Let's say ping test. And what it will do is it will read the file, get the content from the IP address list, IP address.txt. This file I have already created. So this is the file. And these IP addresses I am going to ping from the PowerShell script. So it will read the file and give you the response according to the availability of the device. So just run the script. So here, if you see this error, the PS is not digitally signed. So you need to ignore this warning. How you can ignore it? So you need to run another file, another script. This is the script. I will paste it in the video description. Yes to all. And then again run this script. So here you can see whatever is reachable, it is showing online, and whatever is not reachable, it is reflecting here. So if you wanted to make some changes, like you don't want to see it's not reachable, you can say it is not, it's not responding. And you can also mention foreground color. If it is not responding, it should be in red color. Right. So let's execute it again. Save it. So whatever is not responding, it is showing in the red color. Then whatever is responding, it is in green color. If you wanted to play furthermore, you can say foreground color is, let's say green. It will be visible. Okay, save it. So whatever is online, it is showing in green color. Whatever is not responding, it will show you in the red color. All right. So I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. So stay tuned, keep watching. See you in next video.